In today's video, we're going to compare the S5ii skin tone against the Fujifilm XT5 skin tones to see which one is the best, which one is better. Again, this is all subjective, but we're going to take a look at some of the images taken with both cameras to see which ones you prefer. It should be a fun test, so why don't we get started? Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a quick video for you guys today comparing the skin tones from both the Lumix S5ii and the Fujifilm XT5. And when it comes to skin tone, I do think that Fuji has some of the best I've seen from any brands, but we also got a small group of people championing for the Lumix skin tones as well. So in today's video, I just want to show you guys how they are against each other. Just to set some parameters, I've used straight out of camera JPEGs for comparing each camera. The lens that I use for the XT5 is the XF33mm f1.4, and on the Lumix side, I use the 50mm f1.8. And for the video aspect, I do have a video where I do show the skin tones. I use the phantom LUTs for both systems, and I use the neutral phantom LUTs by Joel Famulero. I'm not a filmmaker or colorist, so I didn't try to correct or match anything. I just left it as is for you guys to check out. And I also like to note that this is not a comparison between full frame versus APS-C sensors. So we're not going to talk about depth of field or bokeh or anything like that. We're just here to talk about the skin tones. So, all right, without further ado, the skin tone comparison. Let's go.
So I just keep on breathing. Gotta slow down, gotta slow down. I can feel my mind is swaying, so draining. And while I'm stuck here, it's fading, it's all changing. Keep walking, put one foot in front of the other. Keep dancing in full color. Don't look back, dive into this new sensation. Running on inspiration. I feel brand new. Running on inspiration. Now I've got you. Running on inspiration. These times are weighing on me. Gotta hold on, gotta hold on. Try to look past all the worry. Gotta hold on, gotta hold on. I can feel my mind is swaying, so draining. And while I'm stuck here, it's fading, it's all changing. Keep walking, put one foot in front of the other. Keep dancing in full color. Don't look back, dive into this new sensation. Running on inspiration. I feel brand new. Running on inspiration. Now I've got you. Running on inspiration. I feel brand new. Running on inspiration. Now I've got you. Running on inspiration. Running on inspiration. Running on inspiration. Keep dancing. Keep dancing. Keep dancing. Keep dancing. Running on inspiration.
Well, what do you think? I definitely like the Lumix skin tones, and I can see why people like it so much. And even though I find the Lumix skin tones to have a more true to life look, I still prefer the skin tones on the Fujifilm. I find it much more pleasing, and sometimes a pleasing skin tones isn't the most accurate. So just keep that in mind, because if you want accurate colors, then you should get a Sony. And again, I think the skin tones on the XT5 and the S5ii is they're awesome. They're both great. I enjoyed them both quite a bit. But yeah, but anyways, I hope this video helps you guys. Let me know what your thoughts on this. What do you guys think? Do you like the Fuji or do you guys like the Lumix S5ii? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you're interested in any of these cameras, links to them are down in the description below. If you find this video valuable or helpful in any ways, please consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see more Fuji content and as well as S5ii content on this channel. And as always, my name is Tongue, and I'll see you in the next video. I love you. Okay, bye. Yeah, buddy.